Hey guys, what's going on? Today we are playing Nyan Lost in Space. Now I kind of got addicted to this game. Most of you might not find it interesting, but I kind of got addicted. So you can make your own cats, which I thought was pretty cool. So I made good old Sans. I made Depressed Cat. And, I don't even know what that is, but it's a cat, okay? Let's just say that. And, we're just gonna play classic. I'm not trying to advertise for this game or anything. Oh, I forgot, I use glitch. Okay, well, I just called this guy glitch. Just because he looks like, you know, a glitch you would have. So this game might not be too fun when to some, but I find it kind of addicting. It's mostly because I grew up playing Nyan Cat, like the regular little Nyan Cat. Now you don't want to touch this guy because this guy like freaking kills you. Like I don't know if I already said this, but I'm not trying to advertise for this game. I'm just saying I found it. I looked up Nyan Cat and I found it. That was pretty cool. And yeah, the dog kills you, which is not good. Blah blah blah. That TNT right there, below me, will instantly kill you. This one makes you go invisible, which is not actually that good, just because I don't see where I'm going now. Oh god. Okay. Well, I can just bounce up now because of the bubble. So TNT, UFOs, they all kill you. Magnets make things come towards you. You need to get milk. I don't know what this does. I've never collected that. And you see, as you can see, I died because of the TNT. So, yeah. Alright, well this is just a warning to say that this game does have ads. So, if you're not comfortable with an ad game, I'm sorry. Now we're gonna use Sans Cat. Okay guys? Sans Cat, we're gonna use him. He might give us the bad time power. And yeah. The only thing is, the dialogue is pretty funny. It's alright. As you can see, I put like an orange and blue trail for Sans. Just because, you know, those are his two colors. And there's really nothing else to say about this game. It's pretty simple. You just make a cat, and then it's really simple. You just make a cat, and then start playing. I just thought I'd play this game just for fun. It's on mobile. It's on mobile. I don't know if it's on PC. Like, you guys can try it. I really don't know. But how are we all doing today? How was everybody's weekend? I'm talking like it's a live stream. So, oh, well, I guess I'm on drugs now. Cause, like, look at this. I'm like, it's called colorful, seeing too much. Alright, thank you. You're not on drugs anymore. Oh, okay. Well, that sucked. Okay. That sucked. And, sorry. I was yawning. What is this? Any day now. Yeah, that's me on a date. I don't go on dates. I can never find a girlfriend in the first place. I'm sorry about my weirdness, guys. The 7 subscribers that I have, I am sorry for my weirdness. But yeah, try this game out for yourself. It's mainly a mobile game, and I think certain people would enjoy it. Might as well do a shout out Sunday, might as well. And today's shout out is DC Miner, okay? He's my friend. He does really good content. He hasn't posted in a while, but I do play like Minecraft and stuff with him. So go subscribe to his channel. He's much better than I am. I think he has like 60 subscribers, 70 subscribers. And also thank you for all the views I got on the Bendy Plus video. That was my first time making a video on this channel. Also sorry about the weird schedule, how like some days I'm posting a bunch of videos and then some days I'm just like off and not posting videos at all. It's mostly because I have a few things going on with my life. Recently my grandpa just died, so we're doing things like a funeral, and yeah, so I've been pretty busy not being able to make videos. But you know, I got a life. And the rocket ship and the Superman thing is the same thing. And pretty much how the rocket ship and the Superman thing works is, how it works is you hold and tap the direction you want to be. So if you tap right in front of you, you'll fly forwards. If you tap upwards, then you'll start, flying upwards. Same thing with downwards. And yeah. So I really have nothing else to say, I'm sorry. Tell me what games you want to see. And I'll also try to work on getting like computer software so that way I can play many more games. But now it's just gonna be Pokemon Go and Nyan Cat. And Love Balls, I've heard of this game before, it sounds gay. Whatever. Okay. Alright, so and the anti-Nyan pretty much pushes items away. That guy will be a butt to you. And now we're gonna be Superman. Yep. I don't like you, dog. You're a bad dog. And also as Superman, you cannot get hit by any of the things like spaceships. And then hearts. Let me tell you what hearts do. Hearts get rid of any threatening things. So they get rid of like burnt waffle cats is what I like to call the evil Nyan Cat. They get rid of like dogs, spaceships, TNT. This one just makes you go slightly faster and makes you go on drugs. The glasses make you go on drugs too. They're pretty fun to use. Okay, well, I'm not buying that game for $6.99. Okay, I literally have nothing else to say. Oh! I never got that power before. See, I'm learning new things for you guys every day. All day, every day. Now, tell me what Nyan Cats you want to see me attempt to make, and maybe I'll use them. You know what, somebody, like a few people, how about you guys just leave a comment down below telling me who you want to see in as a Nyan Cat that I make. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna fall to my death here. Oh, never mind. But whichever one I like most and whichever one the viewers like most is the one I'll do. How you know you won is not only will you like get it in the video, you will also get a shout out and you get a heart. So multi-Nyan Cat pretty much just like all the multi-Nyan Cats can't, only the real you can get hit, but the other Nyan Cats can do things like collect power-ups and collect food. Only you can get hit by dangerous things. And also these little cookie platforms, they break after a certain time of being stepped on. And yeah. Now I have 400 coins, but I'm gonna save my coins. Frick you, musically. But I'm gonna save my coins for the skin editor. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that game. I thought it was somewhat fun. And yeah, tell me if you enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe. If you're not going to do any of those things, please leave this channel and never come back. Ha 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 ha, funny joke. Ha ha ha. And well, I'll see you guys later. Bye.